Yummy, easy sweet potato cornbread recipe. Well, if you're looking for one to put on your Thanksgiving table, well, this is the one. Moist, tasty, easy to make in just a few steps. So if you want to see how, just keep on watching. So here's a run through of our ingredients. We need sweet potato, we need melted butter, buttermilk, flour, sugar, cornmeal, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, egg, baking powder, and vanilla. And I'll put a list of all the ingredients in the description box below. And this one is a step by step. So just watch along, guys, and see how I create this must have Thanksgiving dessert. So if you're going to double, triple, make sure that the potato, the cornmeal, and the flour is equal parts, okay? So catch you further on in the video, guys. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Also, please put the notification bell on so you won't miss future uploads. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for all the support. So catch you further on in the a more orange, deep yellowish color as the sweet potato. I use some yellow food coloring to brighten the color of my cornbread, but that is totally optional. So that's a tip there, okay? And look at the bright, nice orange color that we end up with. And our butter should be of this consistency, not too runny. So now it's time to bake. We're going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. For 35 minutes. It all depends on your oven setting and the baking pan that you're using, the amount that you put inside. So I'm going to put some pears because we're going to make a sauce to put on top. We're going to make an easy caramel sauce. Here I have some melted butter. I'm going to add some brown sugar, honey, cinnamon powder, and also some heavy cream. And we're going to whisk that and medium to low flame until we get a caramel sauce, okay? And we're just going to pour that on top of our cornbread. Allow it to set for 2 to 3 minutes, then we can. All that yumminess is going to absorb in our cornbread. Then I'm just going to allow this to cool down. This was very tasty, guys. Yes, very tasty indeed, I'm telling you. So please give this one a try and tell me, come back to the comment section and tell me how it went. Okay? So, and remember the keynote, equal parts of flour, cornmeal, and the sweet potato to give you the perfect sweet potato cornbread recipe. So guys, please like the video, share the video, and drop me a comment below. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. So catch you guys in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.